Hello, my name is Paul Jones with Lineal Corporation, and today we're going to be working with the Data Management tool. The Data Management tool is a tool designed to help us import cards, names, access levels, card formats, etc. into the eMerge panel. Before we look at the Data Management tool, it's important that we have our import file formatted in a certain fashion. We can use CSV files or Excel files, but the important thing is the API command header is in the first column. After that we have encoded card number, card format, first name, last name, access level. It's always best a CSV or Excel spreadsheet to save it as a text file before we do the import. Opening the Data Management tool, the IP address for the eMerge panel is inputted here. We're using today web port 80. That can be changed if necessary. The first thing I'd like to do is test the connection with the eMerge panel, and I expect to see a problem here. Failed. Verify that API is enabled on the controller page. I expected that. Okay, let's take a look at that. If I log into my eMerge panel, I'm going to go into Setup, Site Settings, and go to the Network Controller. As I scroll down the Network Controller, I see that API is not enabled as it needs to be, and user authentication is as it shouldn't be to do the import. I'll save. Go back and test my connection again. The connection test was successful. Okay. Next I want to test my import file. I expect to see some problems here as well. 3 records is what I'm importing today. It really doesn't matter if it's 3 or 300. 3 records and I have 5 errors. To view them, I'll select this and I see my records 1, 2, 3. The details of the records, it will tell me what the errors were. Bad access level, bad card format, bad access level. In order to do the import properly, I have to create the access level and the card format that I'm importing. I have to create that within the eMerge panel. So let's go do that. I'll go to Access Control, Access Levels, and I'm using an All Access and an Accounting Staff access level. So I need to add Accounting Staff. This has to match exactly what you're doing the import with. The caps, the spaces, everything has to match exactly. I also need to create a card format, but I'll save this access level. And I'll create a card format. I'll be using 26-bit Wiegand, and it's really the name we're looking for, so I'll just clone this format. And this is the format on my spreadsheet. And I'll save that. Now I'll go back and I'll try to test my import file again. I have no errors. Perfect. I'm ready to run my import. 3 records processed. I'll close, and go into my eMerge panel and see if my names and access levels were indeed imported. Administration, People, search, and I see my 3 names have been imported with the proper access levels, their cards, as well as their card format. And that is how we use the data management tool. Once again, I'm Paul Jones. Have a great day.